In FieldGenius 7, we have improved the staking routine significantly. Now let's take a look by stake point 1. You can see the staking interface has been improved greatly, and you can have a much better visualization of the direction you need to go. This is the grid mode. You can change to the compass mode if you are further away from the stake point. One thing to note is that you need to be moving for software to calculate a direction in the compass mode. Once you're getting closer to the staking point, the software will automatically change from the compass view to the grid view, so you can stake the point more precisely. Note that in the option menu, you can adjust the threshold in which the software determines when to switch from compass to grid mode. The default setting is 4 meters. Once you're close to the point, all of the red cross icon will be changed to the green, meaning that you are within the tolerance. The staking tolerance can be adjusted in the option button on the top. Right now we're setting to 3 centimeters. I'm using the GNSS demo profile. I can't control my position, so I'm gonna change this to 30 meters. Now you can see the left and right cut and fill are within the tolerance, but the first one is still outside the tolerance because it's over 30 meters. There is also a map staking method which provides you our traditional staking interface. There are multiple pages on the toolbar as well. Let's go back to the grid mode. This button here provides you the staking information that we're staking point 1 and northing, easting, and elevation. This button here provides you the lat long and the height and other informations. We also added a button called next point, which you can choose the next point to stake from staking list or from database, as well as from the map. The program also can calculate the nearest point to stake from the database or the staking list. We can choose next from database. You automatically choose the point 2. One more thing to note is the top bar saying viewing north. You have the option to choose between north or user point. You can choose from list. Since I'm staking point 3, I can have my viewing point as point 1. Now we can see that we're staking point 3 and viewing user point 1. Staking with total station works similarly. Right now I have a setup and I'm going to stake point 2. Now the software will require an observation to determine the staking direction. We're going to take a shot. And now we can see how far away we're from the point we're trying to stake. I will now adjust the total station and take a measurement again. Now we're within the tolerance. One of the differences from GPS Stakeout is that you have a few more viewing options. The default viewing options is instrument, and you also have north cardinal, north direction, prism, and user point. For north cardinal, the FieldGenius will change the directional arrows to north, south, east, and west. And this will be more intuitive if your instrument setup is facing directions other than north. Now we're ready to store a point. You can store the point and save in the raw data and store it. Now we're going to do an example with non-robotic total station. I have my instrument set up at point 1, my backside at point 6, and we're going to stake point 8. The point staking dialog will tell me where to rotate my instrument to. in the staking screen, we're currently viewing Prism, and we need to rotate the instrument to this degree to get it online. I've rotated my instrument. Let's take a shot. Now we're online and on the grid. Since we're viewing Prism, we need to move the target closer by 12.8 centimeters. Okay, let's take another shot. Okay, now we're right on the point and ready to store it. Thanks for watching.